Scattered thunderstorms this evening, followed by occasional showers overnight. Low 68. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. On Sunday, variable clouds with showers and scattered thunderstorms. High 80. Chance of rain 60%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
I know we'll be all right. I will stay with you, and there'll be hard.
And it's all eyes on Isaac this morning. We're less than 30 minutes away from the new update from the Hurricane Center. Good morning, meteorologist Ray Stajakirat. The Weather Channel, full coverage of Isaac. And we're starting weekend view a little bit early. 4:30 on the East Coast, 3:30 Central Time. Let's get right to it. Tropical Storm Isaac, the story. This is as of the 2 a.m. advisory from the Hurricane Center. Updates every 3 hours, at least TFN, till further notice. Isaac currently a storm. That's a tropical storm at 70 miles per hour. Pressure has been going down, thus the wind speed has been going up at 990 millibars. And now just a northwestern movement at 13 miles per hour. So we're due here for another advisory in the next few minutes. And at 4:50 for the tropical update, we should have the new advisory if there are any changes, and any changes to this. And this is the forecast track and the cone. And, you know, intensity forecast still forecasting to bring it to a Category 1 hurricane as we go through the weekend and into early next week, probably sometime between Sunday night and Monday night. And then over the last 12 hours, we've seen a track that brings the center of the storm down the middle of this cone, maybe a little bit more offshore. So that could see less weakening, and we'll see if that trend continues as we watch Isaac go from tropical storm to potentially Category 1 hurricane before it makes a run here at the Keys and southern Florida, and then eventually into the Gulf, and then obviously our track forecast, as well as the intensity forecast gets a little bit more, let's just say, uncertain at this time. But threats right now, well, over in Puerto Rico now, you're more aware and alert as most of the systems now pushed west. It's action time, Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and now we've got awareness out across parts of the Bahamas and also Florida, and taking action here and alert in parts of Cuba, and also now into the United States out across South Florida, where we are expecting impacts to start being felt here as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. So awareness now on the Gulf Coast. Alert means you should be getting ready to take action. South Florida and the West Coast and the western half of the peninsula and up near, let's say, Mobile Bay, and even around, let's say, southern parts of Louisiana and even parts of Mississippi. You should be thinking about what you are going to do if you get into the alert or action phase, which is where you should be making yourselves preparing for what could be a landfalling Category 1 hurricane. Now, tropical storm warnings in effect, meaning tropical storm conditions in South Florida expected within 36 hours, Miami-Dade County down across the Keys, and that's where we could see conditions deteriorate first. And also plenty of tropical storm warnings here that cover the Bahamas, the Turks, Caicos, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and most of the island of Cuba, where Mike Seidel is reporting. That's a first for the Weather Channel. So within 36 hours or occurring currently, tropical storm force winds, heavy rainfall, and it looks like we are going to continue to see those high seas also. Now, the Tropical Storm Isaac also has some tropical storm watches up, and that's the northwestern Bahamas. And further north here, as you get up near the Palm Beaches north of Miami, and even through parts of the Keys, tropical storm warnings are in effect, meaning within 36 hours, or hurricane watches in effect, meaning within 36 hours, we could see hurricane conditions out across parts of the Florida Keys. And we'll have live updates from the Keys coming in this morning. Current enhanced satellite presentation showing that overnight, kind of seeing a die down of the thunderstorms, and what you need for development here with tropical systems is thunderstorms wrapping around the center of the storm, which looks like it's just coming off now the western end of the island of Hispaniola. So as you see, we're starting to get a little bit more enhancement of the thunderstorms around that center of the storm. And you know, this is something Isaac's been trying to do over the last 3-4 days. It just has not been able to get its act together, but within the last 24 hours it has gotten a little bit better organized in terms of structure. It's in a favorable environment, and we are going to continue to see some strengthening, although be it slow, once it gets out over and back out over the open water here, we'll see if that intensifying thunderstorm trend does continue. So we'll watch it, and the gusty winds with the buoy reports this morning to 20 to 30 miles per hour, and information is scarce out across this part of the Caribbean. So, we're at least seeing sustained winds getting up there 20, 25 miles per hour down to the south side. But other than that, most of the strongest winds right around the center of the storm. And your radar presentation out of Puerto Rico showing most of the showers now ending for Puerto Rico and heading on into the eastern end of the island of Hispaniola, where the radar barely reaches. We are seeing some of those showers still in. Heavy rainfall, indirectly I'd say associated with Isaac, starting to come in now through the Keys. Get ready. Heavy rain coming in with this batch as it pushes off to the west of Nassau and is going to get into South Florida here. So although this isn't the main show, we are seeing some preliminary rain coming on in or out ahead of this system, which is going to affect you even before we see the main show come in. The heavy rain forecast, 6+ inches in some of the soaked areas of South Florida and up through the Panhandle. If you are in yellow, in green, expecting to see a general 2-inch plus rain come in over the next couple of days. So down in South Florida, we've got surpluses here, and this heavy rain in Miami, where you're almost 2 feet above average for the year in rain, is expected to come in over the next few days. Further toward the north, where believe it or not, you got a deficit in Orlando. You'll get some much needed rain, but there are some areas that still have high water here in terms of some of the rivers, so this isn't going to help much. And in and around Panama City, you could see in excess of 6 inches of rainfall. Here's Isaac on the water vapor. Here is our dig in the jet stream, and that's starting to influence Isaac and is going to pull it on up toward the north and northwest a little bit more. So it's starting to take that turn, and we should see that trend continue. And that's why our forecast models are in pretty good agreement on taking Isaac off to the northwest, and eventually as it gets into the Gulf and strengthens, we'll start seeing it move on off toward the north and northeast. So impacts include places like South Florida, where we've got Tropical Storm Isaac, and we also have another wave we're watching to the east.